we'll guide you through how to use Trello for Mac. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the Trello website. Once there, you need to log in with your credentials or create a new account if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll land on your Trello dashboard. Here you can see all your boards. To create a new board, click on the plus icon or the Create New Board option. Give your board a name and choose a background color or image to personalize it. Now, to start organizing tasks, create lists by clicking Add a List and name them according to your workflow, like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Within each list, you can add cards by clicking Add a Card. Cards represent tasks or items and can be moved across lists as they progress. Click on a card to add more details, such as descriptions, due dates, and checklists. You can also add team members to collaborate by clicking the Invite button and entering their email addresses. To keep track of activity, look at the Activity section on the right-hand side of your board. This shows all recent actions taken by team members. If you want to use Trello offline, download the Trello app from the Mac App Store. This allows you to access your boards even without an internet connection. Remember, Trello is a flexible tool, so feel free to customize it according to your needs by adding power-ups for additional features like calendar views or integrations with other apps. That's how you can efficiently use Trello on a Mac to organize your projects. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.